This one might be here. Alright. So let's look at what we have accomplished. This is that diagram that I was working on. Just so I could keep track of what the client had created and understand what I needed to do to complete the project. They had each one of these was a page, when really it should be a category. So I needed to figure out what the categories are versus what the actual products are. So I didn't waste time recording all that shit. I just did it. So now we have the categories set up. And now we're gonna go into the products. These are the products that are in the cart by default. We're gonna export all of them. So let's see. Let's open up the right. So I'm going to take this is a very common task of importing placeholder products into the cart. So I just want to get to the client. Let's see. This is Terafade. Right, so we're going to be in Terafade. I just want to be in the client's folder. I'm going to drop this CSV into their folder. We're going to modify it, right? Actually, I'm going to make a copy of it. I'm going to call it Terafade. Right. All right, I'm going to open in Google. All right, only reason I'm really doing this because I want the headers. All right. So what I'll do is like this. This isn't required. It's not. Computer's slow. Okay, it's not required, but this is just